All that chunking is ice destroying my car. Looks like the hail stopped. I mean, look how big that is.
Hold on, let me take another one.
Are you taking pictures?
Stop.
Sorry.
I said hang on.
It's really neat looking. Like it's got a little core, like an internal core. There's another one. Oh my god, look how big that piece is. That's huge. They said Melville had ping pong ball size.
There was one that hit over here. It was ginormous. It was
Let's go find it.
No, because it broke into pieces.
Oh, did it? That's crazy how it just stopped. Oh, look at that. Look at this one. Oh my god.
Pick that up.
Look at that.
Hold on, don't move. Hold on, one more.
I mean, that was bigger too. That looked like it broke apart.
Hold
That
on.
might be the one you're talking about. I mean, that's huge. That is absolutely, and it's neat looking too. I mean, that would put somebody out. There's another decent sized one. Looks like it's melted a little bit. Hey, Courtney. I think this was because this looks like a wedge.
Yeah,
This was
like right over
yeah.
here. No,
This was easily the size of a ping pong ball, if not bigger, when it hit. Because that's a wedge. Rolf.